So this is how I normally charge my car. As you can see, the socket is very high, and what happens is that the charger, the UMC, is hanging out. So it's not very healthy for this cable here. It's under a lot of pressure. So today I'm gonna try to fix this. So to fix it, I bought double-sided mounting tape, and I'm not gonna glue this to the UMC, but instead I'll glue it to this. So this is a piece that I 3D printed, and it took me around 5 hours to finish the print. I'll put the design on the video description, and you can see there is also a Tesla logo there. Yeah, there is another one here. So I'm gonna glue this to the wall with that mounting tape, and I will test if it stays in place. Yeah, so there are two options. One is to leave it here, so it will hang, the UMC will hang somewhere there, or to this side of the wall, which is probably the best place to put it. So there is also an alternative, which is to put two screws, you can see the holes, and screw it to the wall, but this is not my wall. It's not easy. Okay, there it is, and let's glue it. I'm gonna apply some pressure here. Alright, so this is how it looks after installing the support. You can see the UMC fits perfectly here, and if you want, it also fits this way, so if you want to hide the light. And then the cable is not anymore being supported by the socket, by this part here, because this is like very loose. There should be some better way to fit this, like this maybe, but it still looks good. And the weight is all being supported by the support. Actually, I'm a bit surprised that it can handle very well. I was trying to force it, but the glue works very well. It holds the support and the weight of the UMC without any problem, and this is the final result. So a very clean installation, and the rest of the cable is there, and that's it for now.